Well, before they apply for a loan, they should have a general knowledge of what their credit's like. They should know what their income is like. And
Mhm.
believe it or not, I mean, I've talked to people, it doesn't happen as much anymore, but years ago it happened a lot more where, I would talk to these folks and they would have really no idea how much money they made. They would be like, well, I make X amount, and then I would see a paycheck or a W-2, and I'm like, that just doesn't add up, right? So you should have all that stuff in line. For example, number one, know how much money you make. If you're a W-2 employee and you work for a company, know how much money you make, number one. Know how much money is in your retirement account. To this day, I have clients who are like, yeah, I have a 401k. Well, what do you have in it? I'm not quite sure. Well, 5,000 or 50,000. I've been putting X amount in for the last 10 years. So you could have 50 grand in there, or you could have 100 in there, right? It blows my mind how people have no idea how much money they have in their retirement accounts. I mean, because it's out of sight, out of mind. So they don't think about it. But that's your money. That's no different than like having 50 grand in front of you. Obviously, it's invested. But point of the matter is that if you had that 50 grand sitting in a shoebox, you would know you have 50 grand in there. You know what I'm saying?